Hey there, Matthew Fraker, Data Center Field Solutions Engineer based in Denver, Colorado with SHI. Appreciate taking a few minutes out of your day to listen to what I have to say. You know, I've been at SHI 9, almost 10 years now, and I've seen a lot of change. Not just within our company, but within the IT industry altogether. However, in this day and age, it's really unique times. There's so much turmoil in our market and almost everyone out there. In recent weeks, I've seen entire industries basically evaporate overnight, and I've seen new ones seemingly pop up out of nowhere. So with things changing so fast, it's critically important that we deliver tons of value to each and every business out there, regardless of the vertical. And we can do that. We can provide huge value even in this day and age in a very simple and easy way. Third-party maintenance through ParkPlace. Now, before I get into why you should use SHI and ParkPlace, let me take a few minutes to define what I consider third-party maintenance to be, because it's more than what we generally talk about. It's things like tech support, which could be helping a business with a support issue, a software issue they might be having on a system. But things we commonly think about, like repairing or replacing components like a failed hard drive or a power supply on a network switch in a remote or a branch office. Perhaps on-site engineering assistance. So let's say that you want to redesign your corporate network to take advantage of a newer technology. Well, we can deliver that value. Or more advanced services like having SHI and ParkPlace do remote monitoring, so your IT staff can put time and focus into other areas, the areas that they actually need to move the business forward. Or lastly, simple equipment maintenance, like updating softwares and firmwares. Yes, they can even help with downloading firmwares from most of the major OEMs and do the installation in accordance with your business's planned downtime. So really, there's a lot out there that SHI and ParkPlace can offer you, much more than you really think about when we refer to third-party maintenance. So, why now? Why is it so critically important right now? Well, ultimately there's three reasons why. The convenience, the cost, and the peace of mind. So, while OEMs are focusing on developing new products and creating new things to sell and modernizing the IT industry, support is left as an afterthought, a cost center for those OEMs. That's why SHI and ParkPlace are different. We're focused on customer service and meeting the needs of our customers, providing as much value as we can. So, the first reason why, convenience. So what do I mean by that? Well, by leveraging SHI and ParkPlace, we can offer flexible contracts from 1 to multi-year agreements, and any ParkPlace contract can be exited with 30 days notice. Also, using SHI and ParkPlace, we can be a single provider across all the OEMs. So whether you have HP, Cisco, Dell, Lenovo, or whatever your environment, we have a single number to call for all of these OEMs. ParkPlace also has a customer portal and a smartphone app. From there, you can monitor existing cases or even up a new support case if you need it, and much, much more. So the second, maybe the most important reason, is cost savings. So 30 to 40% less than the OEM, sometimes as much as 70. So many companies have come to SHI recently and asked them to help with budget cuts and helping them put value back into the business. And we can do that with this maintenance. Driving down those costs, that's powerful value back into the business. Now, part of that peace of mind that gives you is also leveraging their support staff. They have 17 years experience on those engineers, and they hire them directly from the OEMs. So why not let the best do the best what they're good at? And ParkView Proactive Monitoring is some of the best support out there, easing the burden of dealing with TAC cases. Leveraging SHI, ParkPlace, and ParkView, monitoring customers can see 31% quicker time to resolution, and 97% of cases are fixed on the first attempt. Now that's significant value. So, in closing, if your organization needs the convenience, the cost savings, and the peace of mind that can be found by leveraging third-party maintenance through SHI, please reach out to your local SHI account team for more information. Thank you so much, and stay safe out there. Cheers.